everybody, I am at the Superstar Car Wash in Gilbert. I just got into the valley from Quartzsite, so I decided to come to the car wash because my van was disgusting, the outside and the inside. So I just vacuumed it, wiped it down with the nice blue towels, and I'm going to show you that I organized my trunk, and right now I have an empty, well, a semi-empty van. So this is what my trunk looks like right now as I'm attempting to organize it and move things around since I took my cot out. So I left a bunch of stuff at my apartment so I could come over here. I know the lighting is terrible and it's loud, I'm sorry. But so I could come over here, get everything wiped down, get everything vacuumed and organized. So now I can go back to my apartment and fill it up. I really like to wipe down like these ledges with the towels and just like the sides of my van because it all gets so gross. And I always feel so much better when it's all cleaned up. So this is temporary, but my van is clean, wiped down, and ready to go and get back in for our next adventure. So the next video will show you kind of what I'm working with in terms of a new setup, and I will be testing it out in Lake Havasu this next week, just for a couple nights. So this is what it's looking like. Next video, you'll see a different version. Stay tuned, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do so. Talk to you soon.